Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Della Vista in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that's block and stucco. Let's go inside and take a look. As I mentioned, this home is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa. It does have a 1.5 car garage. It is list priced at $299,000. You can see the driveway is in very good condition. It has low maintenance landscaping as well. A lot of people like that. We are in the village of Della Vista. The back of this home does face northeast, and the front of the home faces southwest. As I pan to the right, you will see that that direction is south, and that direction there is going to be north. As always, friends, if you want more information on this home, please contact Rhea McLean at LBT Realty. That is the contact information. I will also video the specification sheet. Like I mentioned before, it is a 1.5 car garage. It is located at 613 Nuevo Leon Lane here in the Villages, Florida. This home is about a 15 or 20 minute golf cart ride to Lake Sumter Landing, and probably a 15 or 20 minute golf cart ride to Spanish Springs Town Square. You can see it has tile in the front entry area. Let's go inside and take a look. The first thing I noticed standing in the foyer area is this beautiful laminate floor. Off to the right, you do see a kitchen with solid surface countertop. Off to the left, you do see a living and dining space with acoustic textured ceilings. I first will walk into the kitchen area and show you that. This kitchen has a electric range, solid surface countertops, awesome white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware, and has a stainless dishwasher as well. And that is looking off into the back of the home. This is the pantry in the kitchen area. That's a very large pantry as well. Off into the living space, you do see this laminate floor continuing. You do have a sliding patio door there as well. And I believe that furniture does go with the home. Let's take a walk. It has a brick paver patio. This home is awesome. The back of this home is facing northeast. That is your lanai in the back of the home. Low maintenance on this home. Very large patio area here. You do see the lanai has windows with shade as well. Those are screens over the windows. That is a better look at your roof line right there, friends. We are in the village of Della Vista. That is north of County Road 466. And you can see that they do have an air conditioner in that lanai. Let's go inside and take a closer look at that temperature controlled lanai. Usually if they temperature control them, they call them Florida rooms. But this is a lanai that was converted into a Florida room. There is your air conditioning unit. It does have windows that are either glass or acrylic. Please contact your listing agent. That patio door will lead into the primary bedroom. Take a closer look at this lanai. Very nice. Does have a ceiling fan. It does have what appears to be a cable for your television hookup as well. Back into that living and dining room area right there. It looks like you'd have a space to hang your TV on the wall. I notice it does have tile on the kitchen, underneath the kitchen countertop right there. Those are tiles. Very light and bright home. That's the first thing I notice when I walk in. It's a very bright home. Here's the primary bedroom. It does have carpet, acoustic textured ceilings. It looks like that is a contemporary light fixture there as well. Very large window. You can see the patio door leading out to your lanai/Florida room. That is your primary bathroom. It has tile floors. Those tile floors are awesome. It does have solid surface countertop as well. Contemporary light fixtures. It has one sink. That is your commode space. It has a shower with a frameless glass door. That is solid surface in the shower. The floor as well as the surround is solid surface. Looks like it has an updated shower head as well. That is a better look at your vanity. Very large mirror as well. Looks like it has a medicine cabinet right there. Let's take a walk back into the primary bedroom. Here's your primary closet. There is carpet on the walk-in closet. And there's wire rack shelf units as well. Let's take a look into the rest of this home. It does have bifold doors to close off your guest quarter area. That's very nice. This is your guest bathroom, tile floors, solid surface, white cabinets as well. Brushed stainless fixture. It has a solid surface shower, frameless glass door on the shower. Let's take a closer look at that. Looks like the exact same materials that were in the primary bathroom shower as well. Does have a small seat in that shower. Very nice. There's a better look at your vanity. Also has a medicine cabinet. Here's your linen closet. There's your linen closet. Very nice. And the guest bedroom does have carpet floors in that guest bedroom. This bedroom is located in the front of the home. Very neutral colors in this room. Sliding doors on that closet. Let's take a look at the closet. This home is offered at $299,000. I will walk into that 1.5 car garage next, just to give you another panoramic view of this kitchen and dining and living space. Very bright, very open. This is your 1.5 car garage. It looks like those epoxy floors are very fresh and updated. That is your 1.5 car garage. It is a block and stucco 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom courtyard villa. That is your mechanicals. That is your HVAC system. It does have your laundry in the garage area and storage shelving units there as well. It does have a sink, and that is your hot water heater as well. Give you one last look at that kitchen space. Very nice, very comfortable home. This is the specification sheet. Please contact Rhea McLean at LBT Realty, LLC if you have any other questions. Location 613 Nuevo Leon Lane in the Villages. List price $299,000. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco. Courtyard Villa home in the village of Della Vista. There are your room dimensions. Dining room is 10.6 by 10 feet. And here is page 2 of the specification sheet. Shingle roof. I will video a sales sheet as well. Please contact Rhea McLean at LBT Realty. That is her contact information. I will include it in the description of the video as well. And here is what is nearby this home. Coffee shop is 9/10 of a mile. Gym is 8/10 of a mile. And I believe those are located at Spanish Springs. And here is a map to give you a better idea of what is nearby. And that is the contact information right there, friends. Now I will walk out into that street and give you a panoramic view of this home. Here I am exiting the home, and you can see the landscaping is low maintenance. That is facing north right there, friends. So there you have it, friends. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Courtyard Villa here in the village of Della Vista. Here in the Villages, Florida. List price $299,000. Have a good one. Take care. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. Have a great week, everyone.